बहुत ही गंदी हार थी। फिर भी टेम्परामेंट की बहुत जरूरत है ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है पर्सनली। वैभव सूर्यवंशी, अभिषेक शर्मा, दे हैव टू बैट वेरी वेल बिकॉज ये लोग सब आईपीएल खेल के आए हैं। फिर भी सीनियर प्लेयर की बहुत जरूरत है, मुझे ऐसा लगा पर्सनली। फिर भी बेस्ट ऑफ बहुत ही गंदी हार थी। बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर दी
India's going to take over in the next two matches. Don't worry about it.
Best of luck for the future matches, and yeah. So good luck for Vaibhav Suryavanshi and Abhishek Sharma and all our Indian team.
No, Shreyas Iyer is going to take over the next two matches, 100%, for sure.
Suryavanshi.
And Shreyas Iyer.
Whole team, yeah, whole team.
No, Shreyas Iyer is going to take lead, for sure.
So the last message for Indian team. Good luck for the future matches and everything. Good luck, India. Cheers, India. Thank you.
We support.
Jack, my name is Jack. My very first game of cricket, amazing first game. I'm very happy that England won. Of course, I feel like the Messi of cricket. What's his name? Krishan. It's a shame he went out so soon, but I'm very happy that England won. Very first game of cricket. Come on, England. Let's go. Let's go.
My name is Dr. Tanuj Virani. I'm from Canada. I came to see the game from Toronto. Well, we were disappointed with the game, but India will come back. India will come back, bounce back. Hell yeah, man. Modi ji fixed the team. Yeah.
My name is Shauryan Kohli, and today I've come from Delhi to see the match, and it's a big disappointment as Vaibhav Suryavanshi and all the players had played very bad, and I think the match is fixed because I just think the match is fixed.
I agree with you. We are IPL champions.
India was crap.
Can we play it? Want it?
हाय माय नेम इज समारा सचदेव। आज ना बहुत सैड हो गया था, सूर्यवंशी का थोड़ा तबीयत खराब हो गया था। टुडे इफ ही प्लेज वेल अगेन इट विल बी अमेजिंग।
Okay, I'm Amrita Kohli, and 100% India's going to make it for the next two matches, and it's going to be a draw series, and let's see what takes it forward. Suryavanshi and Shreyas Iyer is going to take the lead, 110%. I'm so confident about it. Thank you.
Shani from Nottingham. It's very disappointed they did not include Sanju Samson. If we really need at least the next game, we wanted him. Otherwise, nothing will happen. So, see, you can see that. What? Not Surya Kumar. I want Sanju Samson. He's in the team. Surya Kumar not in the 11. So, you need to include that one. Thank you.
Rangdat Joshi. बहुत अफसोस। रंगदत्त जोशी। बस डेफिनेटली बड़े होप से आए थे कि इंडिया आज जीत जाए, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली वेरी बैडली हारा है इंडिया आज। लेकिन वी होप नेक्स्ट ईयर में कम बैक करेगा, और होपफुली वी केम हियर फॉर द सी द सूर्यवंशी's बैटिंग, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली नथिंग हैपेंड टुडे एनीथिंग। बट डेफिनेटली नेक्स्ट टाइम इंडिया जबरदस्त कम बैक करेगा और हम डेफिनेटली विन होंगे। हमेशा हम इंडिया को चीयर अप करने के लिए यहाँ पे खड़े हैं।
Manas Jagdev.
आज फिर इंडिया को हार का मुंह देखना पड़ा, क्या कहेंगे?
I think this team is not up to what the previous team was. There is a lot of things changed in between, right? There is no anchoring role. No one is playing that role, which Virat Kohli used to play. And obviously, Gambhir is a bit rigid about, the kind of players he selects. And, he is talking so much about Rana and, kind of in all formats. So it's better to have a player kind of who can play that role. That is missing here, especially in the batting unit, right? Shreyas Iyer coming in, definitely he deserves the chance. He got to play that role, but he's not playing that anymore, right? So yeah, and we are selecting a team based on IPL performances, but pitches like this, they are not, up to the mark. And at the same time, we are kind of not considering players like, say, for example, the bowlers like Bhuvneshwar Kumar, like Mohammad Sami, right, who was proven. They have the experience, they have the talent, but just because they are across the 35 A's, maybe the coach or the selectors, they are not selecting them, right? So this is not correct. So there are a number of things they need to look at. Maybe next time they need to regroup and kind of think of all this, all these areas and come back stronger. Hopefully, this doesn't continue because we lost with Ireland, we lost with England. Maybe, maybe next Zimbabwe. So hope we don't see that again. Yeah. So better they prepare and they go back to the drawing board and kind of select the players who can perform on the international stage, not just IPL.